everyone! I'm back with Billy for another video, and today I'm gonna be trying popular Taiwanese snacks. And this is my first time trying all of these because I've never been to Taiwan. So I've got 5 snacks here, and I think I'm gonna try them in order of what I think I will like least to what I think I will like most. And I'm a pretty picky eater, so take everything I say with a grain of salt.
What is the most and least?
This is what I think I'm gonna like the least, and this is what I think I'm gonna like the most.
No, you got it the wrong way.
No.
Anyway, so we'll start with the least. Okay,
Yes.
which is actually the most for me, my favorite. So we start with this one. The first one is, take a look. It's Jian, a potato chips, and it's oyster pancake flavor. Shall we? Okay,
Yeah.
we'll try the first one. It's Jian 的洋芋片. Why should we do it at the lunchtime? It's really suffering to do this kind of test at lunchtime.
Okay.
Yeah, I should have one too. What do you think?
Yeah, I don't know about that.
But, you know oyster pancake?
No.
Have you?
I don't
but you
like
had oyster
oysters.
before.
No.
You don't like oysters.
No.
Does it but you have tasted oyster before, right? Does it taste anything like oyster pancake?
I've never tasted oysters before.
Do you know what oyster pancake is? You just
Yeah,
put
but I've never had
oyster
it.
on a pancake.
And that does not sound good to me.
So what do you think about this?
It's okay. It's
Edible?
salty and it's edible.
Of course.
For people who like oysters, it's probably good.
You, so any opinions?
I'll give it a 5 out of 10. What's your ranking?
I will get 7 because this is one of my favorite snacks in elementary school time. But for Georgian, we have many different kind of potato chips, right?
Yeah, I do like potato chips. I like barbecue potato chips.
Oh, okay. Maybe next time we should get a Taiwanese barbecue chips for you. Yeah. So that's 5 out of 10 potato chips, oyster pancake. Okay. And the next one we're gonna have Kalagwo. Yes, of what also my favorite in my childhood. So Kalagwo in English, I think is pea crackers, and it is garlic flavor. Perfect. Perfect time.
I like garlic.
大蒜口味. You ready?
These look like Fritos.
Fritos?
Oh,
One more?
that is garlicky. I like it.
Yeah, it gives a strong garlic flavor.
Yeah, it's very garlicky, but I like that.
You know, there's. So you like this? Do you have something similar here?
To this,
Yeah.
not necessarily the garlic flavor.
But the type, the shape.
The shape looks like Fritos. It's like a corkscrew shape. But these don't really taste like Fritos.
Okay.
I don't know what they taste like.
Do you think it will be popular here? If we introduce a Kalagwo here and we sell it, can we?
Maybe. Yeah, maybe.
So what's your score?
Okay, my score for this is
One more? Wow. I can see your
Like a 8.5 out of 10.
8.5. Wow, that's nice. I have a really weird story about this 可乐果pea crackers. Because there's one time I went to see a movie, and there were a couple, a lover, sitting in front of me eating this in the movie theater. Can you believe this?
In America?
No, like in Taiwan.
Oh.
It's so rude.
That's
You know,
actually,
they eat like this.
that's not surprising to me. In America, we eat a lot of snacks in the movie theater.
In the theater?
Mm-hmm.
A lot of snacks?
Yeah.
Wow, it's crunchy and juicy.
Yeah, people
Wow.
eat popcorn in the movie theater here.
Well, but we eat popcorn as well, but not this.
Well,
I mean,
people like to sneak in food, whatever they have at home.
okay. So this is 8.5.
Woo.
Now, the third one is 一美煎饼. 一美煎饼 seaweed cookie. Open it for you.
Thank you. So I'm not sure what to expect this to taste like since
This kind of cookie shape is you don't see often. Right?
I've seen it, but I'm a little confused because it says it's a cookie, which I think of as sweet, but then it's
Right.
seaweed flavor.
Oh yeah, exactly. Seaweed flavor. No.
Okay,
Try one.
one for me, one for you.
Yeah. Especially it's a 煎饼, which should be hard. What do you think?
I don't know about this one.
You don't know about this one? So the seaweed is on the cookie, and you can see the shredded seaweed on it.
Yeah. It's interesting because it does kind of taste like a cookie, but then it's got like salty seaweed on it. So, yeah. I don't know. I think I'm gonna give this a 6 out of 10.
It's better than potato chips. Why? I think this is not for
I
me.
don't know.
Probably 4.5.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's low.
Yeah, because I'm not a fan of the
Yeah, I don't know. I don't really.
对不住啊.
I don't know if I'm gonna
So
finish this.
You want more?
No.
No. Okay, put it back.
I'll put it in that wrapper.
No,
Oh,
this
is that
is
yours?
mine.
Oh,
This is mine.
you're gonna finish something you called
Okay.
a 4.5?
I mean, at least I don't want to waste.
Sorry.
No problem. We have more to wait for you Taiwanese snacks.
Okay.
So for our next, this one is.
This is
ready.
getting into what I'm excited for, the sweets.
So this is milk puff, 一枚小泡芙, and it's milk flavor, 牛奶口味.
So, I really like Milkies from Japan. So,
Yeah.
you know, Milkies?
No, what is
They're
milky?
little, it's like condensed milk candy. So I think I'm gonna like
Oh.
these. Okay.
What do you think?
I like this a lot.
Really?
This is my kind of snack.
I think we can just stop the video right here, and we'll just keep on eating, and that's it.
This is my lunch. I'm gonna eat all of these.
Really? What about? Do you have something similar here? Is it unique?
I think this is unique. I mean, it's like a cream puff, but it's small, and in a package that you can get easily. So that's very different than normally a cream puff would be like bigger, and you would have to buy it not packaged like this.
Yeah, not in package, and not this size. This is really like good snacks for. Even you can eat this with beer. Probably is a good choice. And usually my favorite flavor is not milk. It's actually, I think we have chocolate.
Ooh.
My favorite is chocolate. But do you know that you can actually buy these snacks here in Atlanta? In Ding Hao. We're not marketing for the Ding Hao. But yeah, but you can get this here.
Yeah, so if you guys want to try this,
You have your way, and so what? Maybe you can stop eating and tell us how much. How do you think about this?
I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10.
9
or a 9.5.
Great, great. I can't agree with you more. Okay, so I'll just put away a little later. You can enjoy more. Don't worry, it's not gonna be finished by me. Don't worry. So this is the last one. This is Feng Li Su. Here we go. Pineapple cake. Yeah, which is the most famous and iconic snack for Taiwan. When you talk about Taiwan, you think of pineapple, and you know, we just got we have this kind of. Actually, every tourism like comes to Taiwan, they buy a whole lot of pineapple cake. So I really have so many packages. Okay, this is the shape. Yeah.
Okay, I'm excited.
Is it your first time trying?
Yeah, and I like pineapple a lot.
First time try pineapple for Emma.
Pineapple cake.
Cake. Yeah, sorry, pineapple cake. What do you think? This one is made by Nice Choice, 九福制作的.
Yeah, I like this a lot. This is really good. I'm a big fan. So, actually, Taiwanese pineapples are having a hard time right now because at the beginning of this month, China unexpectedly banned pineapple imports from Taiwan. And so the pineapple industry has taken a really hard hit. And they actually announced just yesterday, I think, that these pineapple cakes and all other pineapple products are also included in that ban. So I'm gonna be eating a lot of these to try and help the Taiwanese pineapple industry. And you guys could do that too if you go to your local Asian supermarket and pick some of these up. So I think we should all be eating a lot of these, and they're really delicious too.
Eat pineapple cake, support Taiwan. And we usually eat the pineapple cake. Sorry, this is really good. I miss Taiwan so much, and we usually eat this with the probably green tea or black tea. If you got a bubble tea with you, it's so Taiwanese. This is Taiwanese style. And unfortunately, I can't really get a real authentic one here. But anyway.
Wow. I love bubble tea. I would like to go get some bubble tea after this.
Yeah. It just,
yeah.
So, the number, you haven't given the score.
10 out of 10.
Whoa!
Delicious.
You're making me so proud of pineapple cake. Now, today we have introduced to you 5 Taiwanese snacks, and we hope maybe you can get this Taiwanese snacks in Atlanta if you go back to the Taiwanese stores like Ding Hao and or H Mart or other Asian market, and you can get them. And
Help eat delicious sweets and support Taiwan at the same time. Thank you for watching.
thank you.
Bye.